I'm proud to be the course leader for the MSc in Advanced Performance Football Coaching at USW. We've got a strong heritage in this field, both in terms of undergraduate study and now postgraduate study, being an established form of our portfolio, if you like, in football-related study. The course was designed by industry professionals, for industry professionals, and is delivered in a really flexible, blended nature that allows it to be accessible by those working both full-time and part-time within the football coaching industry. The programme is delivered in a variety of formats. Firstly, in a blended approach, which means a combination of online learning and residential study. And secondly, from September 2022, we deliver in a face-to-face in a more traditional sense for those students based in the locality or those who wish to come and study and work in Wales. To suit the needs of those working in the football industry, the programme is available in both part-time and full-time study formats. The course is designed to be a digestible way for those working in the football industry to enhance upon this theory to practice link. Every module is worth 20 credits towards an overall total of 180 credits that's worthy of being a master's degree. With 60 credits being delivered in the first year and 60 credits being delivered in the second year, plus a research project, students enjoy the ability to work and study at the same time and allow both formats to inform each other. The programme is delivered by seasoned academics who have a history in working with students who have busy lifestyles working in the football industry. We know how to support our students. We know how to challenge our students, perhaps more importantly. But alongside this fantastic team of academics, we have numerous industry professionals that enrich the learning experience for our students and deliver high quality content from their respective roles. This programme has been a trailblazer for postgraduate related football study, and now proudly hosts an integrated UEFA A Licence Award delivered by the prestigious Football Association of Wales. Students need to meet the criteria set out by the Football Association of Wales, but the cost of the UEFA A licence is embedded within the tuition fee, which is a fantastic opportunity for those that wish to access it. In recent years, we've had numerous students access the MSc qualification, holding roles such as academy managers, heads of coaching, coach developers, first team coaches, international coaches, performance analysts, individual development coaches, to name a few. The programme itself is flexible and will suit anybody working within the football industry, and particularly those who want to develop a more evidence-based approach to their practice. We work with a wide network of football clubs, and these experiences enhance the teaching and learning experience for our students. A key figure in this programme is current FAW Technical Director, Dr. David Adams. He and I developed this programme quite a few years ago now and are extremely proud of what it's become today. We're especially proud of our partnership with the Football Association of Wales, an innovative organisation that strives to deliver coach education of the highest level. And to have a UEFA A licence embedded within our master's degree is something that we're extremely proud of, and obviously is a fantastic and unique opportunity for our students and those to access from around the world. For more information about this programme, please visit our website www.southwales.ac.uk/courses, where you can see more on the programme structure, you can see more and hear more from our students and some of their testimonials. And if you want to click on apply, then please do so. For any further information or even some informal contacts or inquiries, please contact me on gavin.chesterfield@southwales.ac.uk.